Nigerian dishes in our lovely Saladmaster, showcasing that you can use Saladmaster for any form of food. So today on the menu, I'm going to be cooking for you wonderful jollof rice, which is perfect for any parts. And you can use any of the cooker, but today I'm using the MP5, which I'll show you how you're going to use it. You can use it to cook anything, for soup, for stew, but today I'll use it for our jollof rice. I'm also going to be frying chicken in its own oil, and I'll be making stew in our electric skillet. Also, this is quite versatile. You can use it to cook anything, okay? So, and then I've got the 7 quarts, which I'm going to be doing my Egusi for 7 lives in it. Also, again, very versatile. You can use to cook anything. We've got bigger sets as well that you can use if you're having a party for 6-10 people. Okay, so they're also being there. Now, I've got these 3 quarts with the insert. So if you want to boil your yam without peeling it, instead of peeling, you can actually put the yam on top, a little bit of water at the bottom. It pulls out the starch, and you put your yam in the insert and cook it. It's very multiversatile as well. Today I'm going to be using it to make my fish stew without the insert. So like I said again, you can use Saladmaster for any cooking thing. You can use it with that or without. So excellent for anything you want to do. Moi Moi in our 11-inch saucepan. This world-famous food processor is a lifesaver in the kitchen. Every kitchen must have it. It saves you 50% of your cooking time. It's, as you can see, it's got the bowl, it's got the topper, which is chrome plated. It will never rust or corrode. You have it for years. You can pass it on to your children. It comes with 5 cones, so that means that each of them have different cutting skills. It saves time. I can use it. I'm going to use it to grate some of my peppers that I'm going to be using for my egusi, and I'm also going to show you how you can use it to grate your yam for the pounded yam that I'll be showing you later. So with Saladmaster, life goes easy. Just bang, 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 everything's ready to go. So we're going to do the heating test just to check that our cookware is ready. You will see the dancing like crystals. That means that it's ready to go. So as you can see, it's all that. I'm just going to put my goat meat. I've already put my onion, put it in there. Okay. All our condiments for our egusi, and I'm cooking on low heat. Okay, I put my panla there. It's all going to cook together for me. And because I'm cooking spinach the English way, I'm going to put my okazi because that's take a little while to cook. So I've added all that. I'm just going to cover that up. In Africa, we use our hands. My hands are clean. So basically, just put my chicken in. Can you hear that sizzling? That sizzling is there. And I'm going to set it for 15 minutes and turn it over. You can use it later. Cover that. Now the next one is our jollof rice. As the heat test, you can see. Good to go. We're happy with that. So my sauce is all ready to. That's my pepper mix. I'm just going to pour that in there gently. You can hear that sizzling. I like to use 4 cups of rice, and it's all going to be perfectly, beautifully cooked. At this stage, if you want, you can just season it. This is going to come out so beautiful. Jollof rice seasoning, just a tap of it. Thyme, rosemary. For the MP5, we have 2 settings. What are they? Rice 1 and the rice 2. Because anything that is flavored or any seasoning kind of rice, we use the rice 2. So you're not coming here to constantly stare and watch and keep an eye on things. The MP5 is going to do it for us. Right, so I'm going to be grating my onion using my world famous food processor, saving me time. I don't have to use a knife or anything. And as you can see, the numbers, there are 5 cones. The higher the number, the higher the cuts. Today I'm using number 4 for my onion. So easy to use, put it in there. Excellent work. If you think that's not enough, you can cut as much as you want. It saves you time. And if there's any little bits like this, just open the flap, put it in there. All the little bits, put in there. Press it down with a clean hand. Just scrape out. Look at that. Beautiful. Now I'm going to also grate my garlic. Amazing. You don't have to worry yourself. Just peel off the outer layer. Cone number 1, and I'm good to go. So basically, get the garlic like that. press it really hard down there. A little seasoning there. Okay, this is for my fish. Okay. I got my prawn paste. I want that taste of fish and prawn. So let's give it that flavor. So I'll just leave that. Wait for the continuous click, and then I'm going to get my fish and put it on. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Look at that. I've got some chili pepper here, just to give it that little kick. Not too much. You see this? This is amazing. So just bang it in. And just cover it. And let the fish maybe for another 10-15 minutes. See my panla. Look at that. Okay. So I'm going to add all the condiments that I need for my. I'm not going to add too much. This is my chili pepper. Okay. Tomatoes there, as much as you like. I got my special, as we all know, this is iru, which is locust beans. It gives flavor and taste to our food. I've rinsed it, it's washed. So I want all that taste and flavor to come out. So I'm going to start cooking them first. The spinach and the egusi will be going in later. I got my prawn, crayfish. We all know crayfish washed, cleaned, ready to go. I got my dry blended crayfish. Just sprinkle a bit into it. Right, I'm going to do moi moi now. I'm going to do moi moi in leaf. Okay? Put the leaf as a base. It's beautifully. Well, we know that a lot of us Africans, we like the flavor that this moi moi leaf gives. So, in another 10-15 or so minutes, so I'm putting the last one in there. So all my moi moi are ready. Very little water, as you can see, so it's not drowning in it. And then just cover it. Look at the jollof rice. It's all good to go, nearly. Look at the egusi. I think it's ready to put my spinach. So I'm now grating my yam for the pounded yam. I'm using comb number 2. I'm going to give it like 5-6 or so minutes. Once it starts calling me, now it's ready. My F4 is ready. That's it. And after a while, my pounded yam, so let's see what's happening to it. Look at that. That's nearly cooked. Once it's cooked, I'll just mash it together and it'll be ready. That's it. By the time this does for another 3-4 minutes, my plantain will be nearly ready to go, and I can put the next part. Look at that. This is pounded yam. Serving dinner now. And the yam ready to go. Look at that. Wholesome, healthy. Look. This is yummy. Get ready. Come and join me. Fish stew. You don't need oil. The oil from the fish will suffice. That's our fish stew. Look at that. But there's no need for oil. The oil from the chicken is all we need. I know some of us in Nigeria, we like stew. Well, I'm from the Yoruba tribe. We like stew on our jollof rice. So we just put a little bit. Wow. Look at that. If you get the right consistency, That's our Moi Moi ready to go. So this is Nigerian lunch served the Saladmaster way.